In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can block people from sending you messages on your Android phone. Blocking people from sending you messages is important for protecting yourself from harassment, ensuring privacy and safety, maintaining boundaries, avoiding distractions, and preventing spam. On my Samsung device, I'll have to head into my Message app. On this page, tap on these 3 lines right here. You will have to tap on the Settings option. It's the last option right here. In the message settings, select this option of block numbers and messages. To block people from sending you text messages, you will have to tap right here on block numbers. Tap on the contacts option if the person you want to block from messaging you is in your contacts list. If not, manually enter your number in this space right here. Tap on Done to save. Get back and select the option of blocked messages. You will see all contacts you blocked from sending you messages. You can at any time unblock them. That's how easy it is to block people from messaging you on Android. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.